How would you like to be paid somewhere between 50 cents and $4 regularly and earn passive money online with an approach that takes less than 5 minutes to set up? There is no limit how much money you can make with this. You can earn hundreds of dollars every day. Moreover, this method is completely free. It will never cost you a penny and it will work everywhere in the world. You may get paid every day with this method, but you must stay until the conclusion of the video so that I can show you how to put everything together for you to have the highest chance of making the most money. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. I got a completely new technique for you to make money online, just like I indicated at the start of this video. This is free, straightforward, and incredibly easy, and you can make hundreds of dollars if you stick with it until the finish. So today, I'm going to show you how to use CPAlead.com to earn money online. This is available all around the world, and I'd like to show you how to make a lot of money with it. This website is one of my favorites because you can get paid every day. Many large corporations have taken advantage of this. The amazing part is there is absolutely no selling. I'll show you how to acquire quick leads using this. Simply generate free leads without selling anything, and you can make a lot of money online. To begin, simply go to this page and click the sign up button right here. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page wherein you can continue via Google, or you may sign up by filling these pieces of information right here. If you look at this website, it indicates that the minimum daily payout is $1, and I'm going to teach you how to make hundreds of dollars with it. And you can also see that they have daily and weekly payment options. When you combine this with the passive income approach, you can generate a significant amount of money. For those unfamiliar with the term, CPA stands for cost per acquisition or cost per action. You'll make a lot of money if someone completes an activity such as signing up for something or providing their email address, and they don't even have to buy that product. So when you get over here, they'll have a long list of things to do. But you don't have to be concerned about it since I want to make things as simple as possible for you so that you can generate a lot of passive income. After you sign up for this site, you'll be directed to this page. This is where you'll find your dashboard. You may also view how many sales you've made by scrolling down. You won't see any sales yet because this is a brand new account. Here, you'll find your offers, statistics, and the ability to construct landing pages, and among other things. Now, when you click on offer right here, you will be redirected to this page. I'd like to direct your attention to this filter over here. The filter should be set like this. For the country, just select the United States. For the offer type, just select any type. All devices are right here and select all right here. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. This is where you should pay close attention since I'm going to show you the best offers to making passive money with this. So, as you scroll down, you'll see all of these different offers, as well as their payments. As I previously stated, cost per acquisition or cost per action means that these companies will strive to persuade these people to sign up for something so that they can profit from all of these signups. When you scroll down, you'll find a variety of quizzes, gift cards, and so on. All you need to do is look for gift cards. In my case, I will choose this one right here. Take a look at this. When I click this one, this will pop out. You will be earning this kind of amount for this offer. And as you can see, you simply copy your affiliate link quickly as well. If you share this and someone clicks on it and signs up, you will be compensated with the sum of the amount. This is very simple, super easy, and super effective. And once again, this is your affiliate link URL. So, how are we going to obtain this free traffic? What I want to do right now is go to this site called tryinteract.com. I've been making a lot of money online utilizing this site, and I'd like to show you how you can do the same, so please pay attention. When you're on this website, all you need to do is click on Create a Free Account right here. By doing so, you'll be redirected to this page wherein you will be entering your information. Just enter your company name, full name, working email, and create your own password. Check this box right here to agree with their terms and conditions and privacy policy. Of course, don't forget to click this CAPTCHA right here. and have a powerful click on this Create My Account button. After entering your details, proceed now to your Gmail account and look for their confirmation email. Their email looks like this. All you need to do is click on Activate Account right here, and you will be redirected to this page. Now, on this very page, you will select Start from Scratch and select Assessment right here. Now, this may appear complicated at first, but it's actually rather straightforward. From here, we'll construct a short quiz. As you can see, you'll have a lot of options here, and we're going to keep things easy. Simply type this in the top heading. This is your chance to win a $100 gift card. Then you must submit a photo because having a photo makes it stand out a lot more. The next step is go to Google and search for a gift card photo. Then click right on it and select the copy image. Then you go to canva.com and create a design with the size of 900 by 400 pixels since that is the size of that quizzes section. When you click on Create a New Design, you'll be taken to this page where you may right-click and paste the copied image. Crop it to the proper size and save it to your computer. After that, you can come over here and upload the photo by clicking on Upload. Then select the photo we generated, and it will upload the photo immediately onto here. You can drag it about, make changes, and then save it by clicking on it. Then go to the description right here and enter to win a $100 gift card. The next thing we need to set up is the question over here. For the question, just enter, "Do you like gift cards?" Or you may also create your own question as well and put some choices over here and select the correct answer. Now, we need to go back to the CPA lead and copy your affiliate link. Then go back here. On the left portion, just click on the result. On the call to action button right here, you will be clicking this URL right here and paste your affiliate link. From there, just maneuver your mouse to the upper right portion and click on Publish. Following that, we'll arrive at a page that looks like this. And as you can see, live link to your quiz. All you have to do now is copy this link and paste it on your browser. And that's the link we'll be sharing. As a result, when others click on it and finish the quiz, you'll be compensated. Where would you advertise this quiz so that you can start earning money passively? Facebook, particularly, Facebook groups has proven to be the most effective platform for me. And basically, what you can do is come over here and look for sweepstakes and simply join up to this Facebook group and share the quiz link. Can you imagine how many people will sign up for this? Especially if you're using a worldwide offer. There are special groups for this type of thing, so you won't get blacklisted. Just simply share your URL and you're done. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.